Okay, problem number 2. If f of x equals 4 times g of x minus 6 and f prime of 1 equals negative 3.56, find g prime of 1. So in the way I reason this out, if I want g prime of 1, I'm going to need to know what g of x is. So far I have f of x equals 4 times g of x. What I want is g of x, so I will divide by 4. And that gives me 1/4 f of x equals g of x. So then if I want the derivative, which I do, I want g prime of 1, that means I'm going to take the derivative of both sides. So I actually think it would help if I wrote this g of x equals 1/4 f of x, just like because I read left to right, that helps. So I want g prime, so I'll do the derivative on one side. G prime of x is equal to 1/4 f of x. And I want to differentiate everything on that side since I differentiated everything on the left side. So when you've got multiplication like this, we just learned that we can actually just ignore the constants and do 1/4 times f prime of x. So now I want g prime of 1. So I'm going to change everything that's an x to be a 1. And I think I know what f prime of 1 is. I think I was given that information. Yeah, f prime of 1 equals negative 3.56. So 1/4 times negative 3.56. Is that it? Negative 3.56? Yes. So this is something I can just put into a calculator, which I will do, although I don't think you can see me do it because of the way my application works. So 3.56 divided by 4 is 0.89. So I've got a negative 0.89. Cool. Okay, I think we'll leave it at that and move on to number 3 in the next video.